There's lots of different mulches you can use on tomato plants. And what we're going to do here is we're actually going to use newspaper, which is a really cheap mulch and has some advantages. So the first thing we're going to do, I tend to use 2 layers of newspaper. It makes it last the whole season since it does break down through the year. To get it around your plants, it's nice because you can just rip it how you want it to be and just kind of tuck it around the base of the plant. If it's windy at all, the one downside of putting this out is you have to weigh it down. So we're going to put down some dirt clods here just temporarily to hold it so it doesn't blow away. And you just continue spreading it out. The way to really get it to stay down is just to water the paper. And that'll just get it wet, kind of get it to stick to the dirt. Now this plant is mulched. It was free. You can go to your local grocery store and just pick up the free paper and use that. One of the reasons for mulching tomato plants is to keep the fungus from splashing off the dirt back onto the plants. You want to take the dirt off and just let the wet water hold it down. And you should be good to go. This should last about 1 season. When you're done, you can just till it back into the ground.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.